Mars, the rusty jewel of our solar system, has captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient astronomers spotting its blood-red glow to sci-fi tales of Martian invaders, the red planet feels both alien and tantalizingly close. Enter Mars rovers, our robotic explorers scouring its surface, uncovering secrets, and fueling dreams of human footsteps on Martian soil. These plucky machines have transformed our understanding of Mars, revealing a world of ancient rivers, potential life, and mysteries begging to be solved. Let's roll through the saga of Mars rovers and the enigmas they're unraveling. The rover revolution. Since the 1990s, Mars rovers have been our eyes and hands on the red planet. Unlike orbiters snapping pics from above, rovers get down and dirty, analyzing rocks, sniffing the air, and hunting for clues about Mars' past and present. NASA's rovers, Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance, have been the stars, with China's Zhurong and others joining the party. Each rover builds on its predecessors, packing smarter tech and bolder missions. They're not just robots, they're time machines, peeling back billions of years to reveal a Mars that once flowed with water and maybe life. Sojourner, the tiny trailblazer. In 1997, NASA's Sojourner, the first wheeled rover on Mars, proved rovers could work. Barely bigger than a microwave, it landed via airbags in Ares Vallis and trundled around for 83 days. Its mission? Analyze rocks and soil with a spectrometer. Sojourner found evidence of ancient water flows, hinting Mars wasn't always the dusty desert we see today. Its biggest win was proving rovers could roam, setting the stage for bigger, badder machines. Limited by solar power and a short range, Sojourner was a scrappy pioneer, showing us Mars was worth exploring up close. Spirit and Opportunity, the dynamic duo, launched. In 2003, Spirit and Opportunity were twin rovers with a 90-day mission that stretched into years. Spirit landed in Gusev Crater, a suspected ancient lakebed, while Opportunity touched down in Meridiani Planum. Both carried cameras, spectrometers, and rock-grinding tools. Spirit found volcanic rocks and signs of hot springs, suggesting past hydrothermal activity, prime spots for microbial life. Opportunity, the overachiever, discovered hematite beads and sulfate-rich rocks, screaming, "Water was here." It rolled for 15 years, covering 28 miles, until a dust storm ended its run in 2018. Spirit lasted until 2010. Together, they confirmed Mars once had liquid water, maybe oceans, reshaping our view of its history. Curiosity, the science lab on wheels, launched in 2011. Curiosity is a beast, car-sized, nuclear-powered, and packing a laser to zap rocks. Landing in Gale Crater, a 3.8 billion-year-old site with a massive mountain, Aeolus Mons, Curiosity hunts for signs of habitability. Its findings are jaw-dropping. Organic molecules, evidence of ancient lakes, and chemical clues that Mars could have supported microbes long ago. Its ChemCam laser analyzes rock composition from meters away, while its drill samples deep layers. Curiosity's still rolling in 2025, climbing Aeolus Mons, mapping geological history. It's not just a rover, it's a mobile lab, proving Mars was once a wet, potentially life-friendly world. Perseverance, the life hunter. Perseverance, landing in Jezero Crater in 2021, is Curiosity's souped-up sibling. Its mission? Seek signs of ancient microbial life and collect samples for Earth return. Jezero, a 3.9 billion-year-old crater with a fossilized river delta, is a goldmine for astrobiology. Perseverance's tools include a drill, a weather station, and a ground-penetrating radar. It's found clay minerals and organic compounds, both linked to life-friendly environments. Its sidekick, Ingenuity, the first Mars helicopter, scouted terrain until 2024, proving aerial exploration is possible. Perseverance's sample tubes, cached for a future return mission, could confirm if life once thrived on Mars. It's the closest we've come to answering that cosmic question. Zhurong and beyond. China's Zhurong, landing in 2021, explored Utopia Planitia, a vast plain with possible ice deposits. It carried cameras, radar, and a weather station, finding evidence of ancient floods and volcanic activity. Though it went silent in 2022, Zhurong showed Mars exploration as a global race. Future rovers like Europe's Rosalind Franklin, delayed but planned, will hunt for biosignatures with even deeper drilling. Each mission adds pieces to the Mars puzzle, and international collaboration is accelerating the pace. The mysteries of Mars. Mars rovers have cracked open mysteries, but the red planet still guards its secrets. Here are the big ones they're tackling. Was there life? The Holy Grail is finding evidence of past or present life. Organic molecules like those Curiosity and Perseverance found are building blocks of life, but not proof. Fossilized microbes or chemical biosignatures could clinch it. Perseverance's samples, if returned to Earth, might hold the answer. The challenge? Mars' harsh surface, radiation, cold, and dryness makes preserving evidence tricky. Rovers dig deeper, but we may need human explorers to settle the debate. What happened to the water? Mars scars, riverbeds, deltas, and lake beds scream water. But where did it go? Some froze into polar caps or subsurface ice, as Zhurong's radar suggests. Some may have escaped into space when Mars lost its magnetic field, thinning its atmosphere. Rovers map water's history, but the full story, how much, how long, and why it vanished, remains elusive. Understanding this could guide future human colonies needing water. Could humans live there? Rovers are scouting for future settlers. Perseverance's MOXIE experiment turned Martian CO2 into oxygen, a proof of concept for life support. Curiosity's radiation data shows Mars is harsh but survivable with shielding. Ice deposits like those in Utopia Planitia could supply water and fuel, but dust storms, low pressure, and toxic soil pose hurdles. Rovers are mapping resources, but human missions need tech we don't yet have, like reliable habitats and radiation shields. What's under the surface? Mars' surface is just the start. Subsurface lakes, detected by orbiters, hint at hidden water or even life. Perseverance's radar peers below, but future rovers or drills will need to go deeper. Volcanic history, like Olympus Mons, suggests geothermal energy potential, but we need to probe the subsurface to confirm. Rovers are our first step, but they're limited to shallow scratches. The road ahead. Mars rovers have turned sci-fi into reality, but the red planet's mysteries persist. Was there life? Can we live there? What's hidden below? Perseverance's samples, if returned by the 2030s, could be a game-changer. Future rovers with deeper drills and broader ranges will push further. Human missions, planned by NASA and private players like SpaceX, rely on rover data to pick landing sites and resources. Each wheel track brings us closer to stepping on Mars ourselves. Mars is no longer just a dot in the sky. It's a world of canyons, volcanoes, and ancient rivers, whispering stories of a wetter, livelier past. Rovers are our scouts, unraveling these tales while teasing new questions. They're not just machines. They're humanity's curiosity made metal, rolling toward a future where the red planet might one day feel like home. Until then, they keep us dreaming, exploring, and wondering what secrets Mars still holds. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.